NIM 2116000068. I act as CEO.
My name is Martonis Momo. NIM 211600158. I act as financial manager.
My name is Della Ayunda Pramuswati, NIM 21110018. I act as human resource.
My name is Natalia Rahayaan, NIM 211162. I act as Chief Scientist.
Nama saya Navita Syafar Nadila, NIM 2116000061 sebagai Marketing Manager.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, greeting to all of us. First, before we start today's meeting, it is my favor to open this meeting by reading the prayer according to their expensive belief. Finish. Hopefully, this afternoon meeting can run smoothly and satisfactory result. I would like to thank the Human Resource Division, Financial Manager Division, Chief Scientist Division, and Marketing Manager Division, who was present here today in an emergency meeting to discuss two issues held virtually. Let me start the meeting this afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. The problem we face regarding for a clothing manufacturers and experts in developed industry is about the production and content of product. First, sales have started to fall in an economic crisis. The company production rate is currently too high. Second, a researcher has reported that one of the chemical the company used in the production of their product is harmful to the environmental or its fabric face pollutes. At noon today, I will ask the division manager, explainly financial manager, Brother Martinius Nongo, the rest of the human resource division, Sister Della Ayunda, in response to the first problems. In the first issue regarding production or sales, clothing sales began to decline 20% in the past 3 months. As long as the review is expected to also continue for a few months later. Furthermore, our sales are still critical, increasing only in spring and summer. At this time, it has entered the dry season, which result into large and inventory and must immediately reduce production. The company has employed nearly 200 sewing staff who get paid according to the number of pieces they sew. They are very efficient and productive, have been trained or at the considerable cost by the company. Each of them makes about 150 pitch a day. We can reduce this number to about 100 pitch a day. From here, it can retain all staff, but only employed for about 5 hours a day or lay off about 16 until 17. We have review from several sides of the financial manager and human resource division about the first problem. What do you think this issue?
Okay. After I listened to the CEO tell about laying off some staff, I thought the right time to make a much more radical suggestion was to move all production to a place where labor was much cheaper. Therefore, very few clothing companies products in my country because the production costs are too high. I can more favorable. In addition, the environmental standards and laws in those countries will be less stringent, so I can continue to use chemical of bacterial degradation. I am clearly opposed to any solution to the current problem that will cost the company money. Maybe this will help in enlarging the company. My advice is that all staff should work more than 5 hours a day and should not reduce the number of years they serve. I agree what the goddess sister has said. What we're looking for customer comfort, but when customers know that this product is dangerous, then they will stop buying it, and that will make the company not have the trust of the customers.
What about Sister Della as a human resource to the company?
After I noticed the response of Martoni's brothers and sister of Goddess, I think employee comfort is our priority to be able to maximize productivity. However, I am concerned about what solution to the production problems suggested by the CAO. If my work start working part-time, they may no longer have enough money to live on. If I lay off highly trained workers, there is no guarantee that I will be able to hire them when sales increase in the future, if they have found another job. I wonder if there are other possibilities: maintain all staff and give them extra training until sales increase, perhaps paying them the same amount as before. This will probably lead to increased motivation, loyalty, and productivity in the future. By providing motivation and productivity to employees, it means that by it it means that the company can be said to be advanced because of the quality of works who make profits for the company. It is very possible for employees to feel at home if all their rights are guaranteed in full by the company.
But how can you maintain a company that link money and keep so many employees on equal pay without change? Of course, we cannot. We have to scrape first one of them and analyze the problem only. Now, all we can do is find a new marketing place, make some product promos, look for alternative raw materials so that the selling price can be lowered, and make innovation in exciting product to make it fresh and interesting.
Okay. In my opinion, the solution profit is good. The company's finance will improve because a lot of money is minimized from the problems we face. But we also have to continue to be careful in dealing with problems like this so that it does not happen again. In financial matters, it can still be mentioned to this day. The solution profit must be applied immediately so as not to arise losses from the company and employees. The cost of expenditure must remain balanced while income such as saving electricity in production. It becomes more efficient in saving the company's money so that it is mentioned. Production is still running only a reduction in the amount of production.
For me, in addition to the finance that must be regulated by employees must also be considered in this matter. If they are not as employed as workers, they will always leave the company to find a better place to work in their activities. Of course, this is also a factor in the decline of the company finance, which initially went well but for the problem of employees are very lacking in service. Production that runs will be maintained even though employees do not experience reduction. It just that be reduction in the amount that shall be.
Yes, the conclusion I can draw from her is to keep employees with high net qualities to keep the future in production again. The solution that can be taken is to increase the culture of employees with motivation, ability, and efficiency, looking for alternative raw material in order to analyze the company monies. So there are no employees to stop is this company and production has decreased every day from 150 to 100 a day. In the next issue, I asked for help for the chief scientist division to explain the second problems regarding pollution. Please go to the division of chief scientist.
Okay, well, so far now I have received early copies of articles that will soon be published in major scientific journal. We found the antibacterial chemicals we use in many fabrics in this company's product potential harmful to the environment. And I know the small amount of chemicals are released into the wastewater during manufacture. Very small amount in wasting class every time it is cleaned and passes through wastewater treatment plant until it it ends up in rivers in waterways. Even even if our suppliers manage to filter chemicals released from the wastewater product during manufacture, which will which will be very expensive. How, how, However, I will not be able to prevent the release of chemicals when customers of our company waste their clothes. So I thought that I had no alternative but so stop using these chemicals in this company product despite the amount released when the company's customer with small clothes and waiting existing legal limits. But that way I thought the company had a clear ethical obligation not to the polluted environment.
I've also heard that in the product we produce, there are chemicals. I'm very worried about this. The company image will also be bad in the eyes of the public in the product we produce contain chemical in it. I'm correct about what the chief scientist said, I fear the damage to the company image if it continues to use chemicals that can damage the environment. My products are experienced and of high quality, and I think that my customer of outdoor sportswear are the type of people who care deeply about environmental issues. But this is more than a question of it or when customer I find that my product is dangerous. They will probably stop buying it. On the other hand, stopping the release of this chemical or other the chemicals that have the same effect would also be disastrous as my smell eating fabric in one my main selling point. I suggest trying to find similar but non-toxic chemical using the principle of Wikinomics. I posted a challenge to developing such chemical on website such as www.moocare.com and offering reward to anyone who submit a solution to the challenge. In the meantime, I had to continue using existing chemical.
Yes. What does Sister Natalia think of the response for Sister Navita?
In in response to what Sister Navita said, I think that is it is not from wrong if try to find similar but non-toxic chemical. But I suggest that in a short time the plain wind will be carried out for the sake of safety and environmental health. In addition to the use of existing chemical for a while, I also recommend liming or reduction use in production so as not to further pollute the environment.
When pivot from the product we produce is sport clothing where the clothes must look comfortable and safe. If the clothes we produce their chemical, it will harm the wearer or these clothes is instead of even healthy, instead they will be adversely affected by this chemical. I think we have to change or remove this chemical from the product we produce to stay comfortable and safe.
I've come up with a solution. Like I said, what do you think can be used to replace these bad raw materials?
Responding to the solution from the CEO related to finding safer raw material for this company's product. I recommend one of the raw material reduced got to use this the product and guarantee to the comfort of user. Namely calico material. Calico is a sleek fabric material made of cotton This matte and breathable material is very comfortable on the skin. To the cotton material absorbs sweat well. Plus, this material is also environmental friendly. It can decompose quite quickly. In addition, the manufacturing process does not use many chemicals. Maybe it's raw material that can be used in my opinion.
I agree with chief scientists think the same use calico material that are safe and definitely comfortable for the property. What's more, in the pandemic, like these people are implementing healthy living with a business, and of course, the public is looking for comfortable and safe sport clothes. For marketing problem, we have to work with well-known stores such as Uniqlo, H&M, store where people often visit. The shop I mentioned earlier, literally are often visited by the communities, especially young people. For promotion, we can take model for this outfit by inviting famous artists who are again looking forward to young people today. To launch the product, we love discount for our product into promos to be known to the public.
The conclusion I can draw from the response of the Division of Chief Scientists and Marketing Manager Division is that the bad chemical contained in sportswear that become a problem for the company can be solved by replacing raw materials. The material to be used is calico material. Calico material is very environmentally friendly that can decompose quickly and does not experience other environmental pollution such as chemicals that were before it us. So, the solution given in the problem of bad chemical used for environmental pollution is to make change to the material used is calico materials. And in marketing, so that sales increase in from finding a new store to compete with famous brand store in its time and provide promo discount for certain product with the lesser model. Okay, thanks for today discussion. I eat it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Afternoon.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
Thank you.
you.